If you're searching for a home on a quiet street in the Cactus Corridor in the confines of North Scottsdale, you'll be overjoyed with our new listing on Larkspur. Hi, I'm Jeff Sibbach with eXp Realty and the Sibbach team. This expansive 4,195 square foot home boasts 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, all on one level, all situated in an expansive lot approaching 35,000 square feet. Step inside to discover 10-foot high walls with drop-down ceilings, filling the home with abundant natural light. Updated porcelain tile in the hallways, kitchens, and bathrooms, complemented by elegant plantation shutters and sunscreens. The dining room and living room with crown molding add to the home's charm. The oversized family room is a cozy retreat with an oak beam ceiling, built-in speakers, and a wood-burning fireplace, and a slider to the backyard. The kitchen is a chef's dream with a huge eat-in area, painted cabinetry, beveled-edge granite countertops, and an island with a butcher block top, a skylight, and a huge pantry. The secondary bedrooms are larger than usual to offer comfort and convenience, with 2 featuring ensuite baths, huge walk-in closets, quartz countertops, and undermount sinks. The master suite is a luxurious sanctuary with double-door entry, crown molding, and a bathroom with porcelain tile, shaker-style cabinetry, and a large shower with a bench, a soaker tub, and a large walk-in closet. The laundry room is equipped with a sink and cabinetry. Serenity drapes as you enjoy this outdoor area, accented by its massive covered patio, is an oasis with almost an acre of grass, mountain views, a pool, and a diving board with a wood-burning fireplace, mature pine trees, 2 orange trees, 2 grapefruit trees, and some rose bushes. Just minutes from all of North Scottsdale's amenities. I'm Jeff Sibbach. You can reach me at 602-329-9732 to set up an appointment today.